Dr. Finn here with Puppy Oak, and I want to share with you a great supplement that's been around for a while, but I only recently learned of it, and it's Gussy's Gut. But I've ordered some for my guys and especially the puppy. This is a superfood, it's fermented, it's organic, and it's made in America, so no tariffs. Below, you'll see my affiliate link, and then if you enter code THRIVE, all caps, you'll get 10% off. I've really enjoyed working with the company so far. They've been fantastic, and I've looked at the research on that product. They're a very stable company. There's a wonderful video there'll be a link to below from Dr. Ian Billinghurst, and it's really a brilliant video. And I really encourage, use my link, use my code to get some of this product, which is pretty economical if you're just adding a couple tablespoons a day on top of their food to make it a superfood. Remember, 80% of the immune system is in the gut. That's the immune system fighting viruses, fighting cancer. We gotta keep our guts healthy. So, bye for now.